What is financial redemption? We are dividing that statement into two. We have the first word financial, which we are talking about money. Then we have the second word that is redemption. Redemption simply means buying back. So financial redemption, we are talking about buying back finances. Finances being money, and we always equate money to time. But if you do a further research, time is more valuable than money. So replacing this word financial with time, we are talking about time redemption. And now time redemption will mean buying back our time. From who are we buying this time? We are buying back our time because when you are generating your active incomes, in most cases, you are engaging in activities that another person is responsible. You are working for somebody else. You have sold your time in exchange for money to cater for your bills, to cater for your lifestyle, to cater for your aspirations. So buying back your time is doing whatever is possible to disengage from this person to whom you have sold your time in exchange for money. But how do you do that? That is where now we talk of you paying yourself, you sacrificing, you suffer delayed gratifications, you and the sacrificed resources are the ones that you are now engaging, putting them into spaces, vehicles where that money will continue working for you, and you set enough time for the money to accumulate through compounding to a huge capital amount that will start generating incomes that are more than what you are getting from your active sources. You save, you set aside from your salary enough resources towards investment. You set aside enough resources from your business, if you are self employed, towards investments. The view here, you are building assets to generate passive income. So, financial redemption then becomes building sufficient passive income to replace your active incomes. When your passive incomes are enough, sufficient to take care of you, take care of your aspirational goals, lifestyle goals, legacy goals, then we would say you have redeemed yourself financially. So as a conclusion, financial redemption then becomes the process of building passive incomes to replace your active incomes so that you can start enjoying life, doing things that you don't do necessarily to generate an income to support your lifestyle, but because you enjoy doing what you are doing. You start enjoying life. And that is what we call FIRE, financial independence, to enable you to retire early. I hope I've answered that question on what financial redemption is. See you in our next video.